Thomas Woods, and I was wondering, are you nervous for this upcoming competition?
Yeah, I think everyone probably be a little bit nervous, but I'm kind of more excited. You know, it's first time I've qualified for it, and the last years that they've had at the Waves have just been pumping. So, and there's swell on the way. So, I mean, I'm just psyched, and hopefully we can get some waves like they've had.
Excited, yeah?
Yeah, should be sick. I mean, everyone's been ripping in the free surf, so it's kind of, you just got to go all out in every heat and, yeah, see what happens.
So you're now already ASB champion, right, for Australasia?
Yeah, I managed to win the junior series in Australasia this year, so yeah, I was stoked with that. That's my biggest thing I've won so far in my career, so yeah, I was really happy with that.
Good. So what are you up to tonight? Early bed tomorrow morning?
Yeah, I'm just going to head home, get a good sleep, and then, yeah, keen to see the little opening ceremony, and yeah, just see how the waves are tomorrow, see if we get run or not.
Yeah, good. Well, we wish you good luck, and we'll see you tomorrow.